Start making a small amount of money online. Maybe $10 a day. Then keep watching this video because that's exactly what I'll be teaching you. This is the first website right here. It is called AdWallet. And as you can see, they will pay you to watch some videos. Brands want your attention, make them buy it. Get rewarded for watching videos and completing online surveys from brands you care about. Each interaction takes just a few minutes and is worth up to $3. Plus, you can unlock some exclusive offers as well. They do have a video right here, which I would recommend you watch. It's not very long. It's about 1 minute and 17 seconds long. Definitely worth watching. And then, if when you're ready, just click sign up. And you can go ahead and start doing this. So it's very, very simple. You watch a video. You'll receive a text when it's time to log in to watch a short video, handpicked just for you. Ways to earn. Answer question. Take a short survey or reveal your email. Get rewarded. You'll earn a minimum of 50 cents and up to $3 for your full attention. And make more money, earn an additional $1 for every friend you refer. Plus, download offers from brands you love. So, there's a lot of different ways that you can actually use to make money on here. The first way is just by watching the video ads. Once the ad is over, you will then get a few questions to answer about the ad. Once you've answered those, you'll get even more money by taking surveys. If you reveal your email address to the company as well, you earn even more money. And every time you refer a friend to this website, you will earn even more money. Okay? And once you reach $10, you can then cash out in PayPal money, gift vouchers, transfer to a bank. You can donate to charity if you want to. It is entirely up to you. So it's a pretty big website, guys. They pay out $1,032,000 and counting to their members in their first 12 months, which is pretty big. And yeah, they're doing very well for themselves, and there's a lot of people on here making a lot of money. So they do have an FAQ as well. There's answers right here to any questions you might have. So again, come to the website and go through these yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video.